Okay, I want to show off my first sewing project I've done since years. Um, I must have been preteen when I was doing hobbies. So basically, I sewed the bottom with, I just used the same dance material. It's a shiny, mom wanted it so she could wipe it down because she has a lot of residue from her humidifier. So the dust easier to clean off. And then I sewed it when it's let's see, elastic. Yeah, so it'd spring back, stretched out. And then I just used paracord and these little stops on the end so I could, what do they call those? I forget what those are, little spring loaded dealies. So I can fill on the top, or she can fill on the top and then close on the bottom. She wanted the whole length. So I'm going to pause and show my other repairs. Okay, so this is my first sewing in like ever really repairs, decades. So here is a little seam was coming apart on the bottom, and she's cool with whatever I had in there. So I had black for the jacket you'll see last. So I just did a tight stitch zigzag to seal that up. No notice anyways. So that's good. She had a towel that was coming off the hem, I guess it's called, was unfolding. So I still need, she said she'd trim those up. I was going to get a lighter and just kind of burn the ends and melt them, but she said she'll trim them. It should be okay because I reversed at start, reversed at the end, and that should be like tying them off with the old treadle machines. Since I started repairing the machines, so in treadle. She's not worried about that hand towel, but yeah, that works. Then this one, you can't even see it. So I tried being really close with that. And yeah, because that one, like this next one I'm going to show, it tore at the actual seam. So I tried getting that as close as I could with tight. These I did straight stitches. Straight stitch the first one. The second one's a super close, very narrow width and short length, like 24 or so, between 24 and 0 stitch length. This one, I don't think you can really see it much, but it's there. Let's see. Similar as that other one, it was tore, so I did a really close zigzag going down over the end itself, and then in a little bit, a second line. These were both kind of locations. This was coming apart. I didn't stitch this real pretty, but similar, just a close zigzag. Similar here, close zigzag. So it sealed that up again. Always reversing it first and at the end. This one was kind of cool. I think I actually did a little better job than the original stitch, except right there. This is like the original stitch, and this is my stitch. I think my stitch looks better. I actually like mine better. I can't believe that. That was my first one. So then I went over, I think they did over here, similar. So actually that looks like it's starting to come unraveled. Oh, I didn't notice that. I might stitch that real quick just to make sure. Hey, Ma, I just noticed this one looks like it's coming unraveled at the pocket. So it's
Oh,
actually coming unraveled at the top. I might stitch that real quick.
oh yeah.
Yeah, so that's cool. Okay.
Yeah, you can.
I think that's
Yeah,
it.
no,
Okay. Bye for now. Be safe, healthy, and keep Christ with you.